ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? የአስረኛ ክፍል ኢኮኖሚክስ ትምህርት ለፈተና የሚያዘጋጃችሁን እንደ ሞዴል አይነት ጥያቄ አዘጋጅቼላችኋለሁ። ያው አስረኛ ክፍል አሁን የምናየው ምዕራፍ አንድ ላይ ያለውን ብቻ ነው። በቀጣይ ደግሞ ምዕራፍ ሁለት እና ምዕራፍ ሶስትን እናዘጋጃለን። ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ ስንገባ እንግዲህ አንደኛ ጥያቄ ዋት ኢዝ ዩቲሊቲ ኢን ኢኮኖሚክስ ይላል። The usefulness of a product, the satisfaction derived from consuming a good or a service, the price of a commodity, the cost of production ይላል። ለዚህ ትክክለኛው መልስ የሚሆነውን እስኪ እናንተ ሞክሩ። ትክክለኛው መልስ ቢ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ which of the following is not true about utility? It is subjective. It is constant for all consumer. It varies from person to person. It can change over time. The correct answer is it is a constant for all consumers. ሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶስተኛ ጥያቄ what does the cardinal utility theory assume? The cardinal utility theory assume የሚያደርገው ምንድን ነው? Utility cannot be measured. Utility is measurable in utils. Utility can only be ranked. Utility is ordinal. ትክክለኛው መልስ utility is measurable in utils ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። አራተኛው ጥያቄ what law states that as more units of a commodity are consumed, the additional utility decrease? Law of supply, law of demand, law of diminishing marginal utility, law of increasing return ይላል። ስለዚህ በዚህ ምርጫ ሰበብ ምክንያት law of supply ምንድን ነው? law of demand ምንድን ነው? law of diminishing marginal utility ምንድን ነው? law of increasing return የሚለውን በዛው እያወቃችሁ መሄድ ይኖርባችኋል ማለት ነው። ለዚህ ትክክለኛ የሚሆነው መልስ law of diminishing marginal utility ይሆናል ማለት ነው። አራተኛ ጥያቄ ይሄ ከሆነ አምስተኛ ጥያቄ total utility is maximum when marginal utility is positive, negative, zero or increasing? ትክክለኛው መልስ ዜሮ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ is calculated as የትኛው ፎርሙላ ይመስላችኋል? ኤ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሰባተኛው ጥያቄ in the cardinal utility approach, consumer equilibrium for one commodity occurs when marginal utility equals price, total utility equals price, marginal utility greater than price, total utility is maximum የትኛው ነው? ትክክለኛው መልስ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ኢኳልስ ፕራይስ የሚለው ማለት ነው። For two goods X and Y, the consumer maximize utility when marginal utility equals marginal utility Y. Marginal utility of X over price of X is equals marginal utility of Y over price of Y. Price of X equals price of Y. Total utility of X equals total utility of Y. ትክክለኛው መልስ ቢ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ኦፍ ኤክስ ኦቨር ፕራይስ ኦፍ ኤክስ ኢኳልስ ማርጂናል ዩቲሊቲ ኦፍ ዋይ ኦቨር ፕራይስ ኦፍ ዋይ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The principles of marginal utility is another name for የትኛው ነው? The law of demand, consumer equilibrium condition, law of supply, ordinal utility። ትክክለኛው መልስ ኮንሱመር ኢኩሊብሪየም ኮንዲሽን። ቁጥሩ የተዘበራረቀ ነው። ኖርማሊ ጥያቄዎቹን ብቻ መመልከት ይኖርባቸዋል። If a good is free, price equals zero, the consumer will consume until marginal utility equals zero, total utility equals zero, marginal utility is maximum, marginal utility is negative። ትክክለኛው መልስ ኤ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Which of the following is true about marginal utility? It is always positive, It can be negative. It equals total utility at all points. It is constant. It can be negative. In the short run, consumer choices are limited by income and price, production capacity, government policy, international trade. ትክክለኛው መልስ ኢንካም ኤንድ ፕራይስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። if marginal utility greater than marginal utility price of x, the consumer should be buy less of x, buy more of x, stop buying x, buy more of y. Buy more of x. The marginal utility approach ranks commodity based on measurabilities, consumer preferences, market price, production cost. ትክክለኛው መልስ consumer preference. Which of the following is an assumption of ordinary utility theory? Utility is measurable, marginal utility of money is constant, consumer is rational, utility is cardinal. The answer is consumer is rational. The marginal rate of substitution diminishes because of increasing marginal utility, diminishing marginal utility, constant return scale, fixed income. The answer is diminishing marginal utility. The other question is the point where the budget line is tangent to an indifference curve represents minimum utility, consumer equilibrium, production equilibrium, market equilibrium. The answer is consumer equilibrium. If income and all prices double, the budget line will shift outward, shift inward, remain unchanged, rotate. The correct answer is remain unchanged. A rational consumer aims to maximize expenditure, maximize utility given income, minimize consumption, buy only one good. Maximize utility at a given income. Utility can be measured ordinarily by utils, ranking preference, money value, units of good. The correct answer is ranking preference. If a consumer income in per 100, price of x per 10 and price of y per 5, what is the budget equation? 10x plus 5y is equals 100, x plus y equals 100, 10x equal 5y, 5x plus 10y equals 100. The correct answer is A. Utility is considered relative because it is the same for everyone. It depends on individual preference. It is determined by the government. It is based on production. It depends on individual preferences. Which is not assumption of cardinal utility? Rational consumer, constant marginal utility, utility is ordinal, diminishing marginal utility. The correct answer is utility is ordinal. When total utility is increasing at decreasing rate, marginal utility is increasing, decreasing, zero, negative. Which one is the answer? Zero. No, decreasing. If the price of x, price of good x is per 5 and its marginal utility is 10 utils, what is the marginal utility per birr? 2 utils, 0.5 utils, 10 utils, 5 utils. 2 utils. The condition marginal utility of x over p of x equals marginal utility of y over p of y implies consumer is maximizing total utility, consumer is minimizing cost, prices are equal, marginal utility of x equals marginal utility of y. Consumer is maximizing total utility. Which of the following describes the law of diminishing marginal utility? As income increases, utility increases. As consumption increases, marginal utility decreases. As price falls, marginal utility increases. As total utility increases, marginal utility increases. As consumption increases, marginal utility decreases. In ordinal utility, indifference curve represents different level of measurable utility, combination of giving equal satisfaction, budget constraint, production function. Combination of given equal satisfaction. A consumer reaches equilibrium when marginal utility X equals marginal utility Y, the budget is fully spent, marginal utility of X over P of X equals marginal utility of Y over P of Y, and both B and C. Both P, B, and C. If marginal utility of X over price of X greater than marginal utility of Y over P of Y, the consumer should be buy more of X and less of Y, buy more of Y and less of X, by equal amount of X and Y, stop buying. Buy more of X and less of Y. In ordinary utility, utility is measured ranking. The law of diminishing marginal utility explains why demand curve slopes downward. The concept of optimal consumption bundle refers the cheapest good, the combination that maximizes the given budget, goods with highest marginal utility, goods with lowest price. The combination that maximizes utility given budget. When the consumer is in equilibrium, the last bill spent on each good yield different utility, the same utility, zero utility, maximum utility. The same utility. In the case of one commodity, consumer equilibrium is where marginal utility equals total utility, marginal utility equals price, price equals total utility, marginal utility equals zero, marginal utility equals price. If marginal utility of X over price of X less than marginal utility of Y over P of Y, the consumer should buy more of X, buy more of Y, buy less of Y, stop buying. Buy more of Y. Which is the following true about total utility? It always increases, it can decrease after the point, it's always equal to marginal utility, it is constant. It can decrease after a point. The consumer budget constraints shows maximum possible combination of good, minimum utility level, production possibility, market price. Maximum possible combination of goods. Marginal utility becomes negative when total utility increase, total utility maximum, total utility is decreasing, total utility is zero. Total utility decreasing. The concept of utils is used in which one? Ordinal utility theory, cardinal utility theory, both theory, neither theory. Cardinal utility theory. The slope of a budget line is determined by consumer preference, ratio of price of goods, marginal utility, total utility. Ratio of price of goods. Utility is considered subjective because it is the same for all, depends on individual taste, it is determined by the market, It is measurable, objective. It depends on individual taste. If a consumer income increases, the budget line will shift inward, shift outward, rotate, remain unchanged. Shift outward. Which one of the following is not a determinant of consumer demand in utility theory? Income, price of good, preference, production cost. Production cost. If the price of good falls, the consumer is equilibrium quantity consumed will increase, which the assumption is common to both cardinal and utility and ordinal utility theory. Consumer is rational. When marginal utility is zero, total utility is maximal. The principles of diminishing marginal utility, marginal rate of substitution is related to increasing marginal utility, convex inference curves, linear demand curves, perfect competition. Convex indifference curves. A consumer spends all income on two goods. If the price of one good rises, the budget line will shift outward, shift inward, rotate inward, remain the same. Rotate inward. In the table given in the textbook, when the quantity consumed increased from 2 to 3, total utility increases from 15 to 20. What is the marginal utility? 5. ተማሪዎች በጥቅሉ 50 የሚሆኑ ምርጫዎችን በዚህን ሰዓት አብረን በጋራ ሰርተናል። እናንተ ደግሞ መጽሐፋችሁን አንብባችሁ የበለጠ